Welcome back to Money Pit Boating. If you're new here, I'm Mark, and my buddy Coots and I bought a sailboat, and it has a few challenges. You don't know how the water gets in?
I don't. If I did, it would never get in.
Yeah.
I'd fix the fucker.
As you can see, everything out here is wet because it is kind of cold in the mornings, but then hot in the day. You can see all this stuff is just soaking wet. Open this up and look at water drops everywhere. There's some drip right there that goes down there. And it probably just goes down the line. But is that enough to fill up a bilge? And still water in there. It smells like weird poop in here. Yuck. This appears to be dry. This appears to be muddy or poopy on the ground. Disgusting. This is a paper towel I left here overnight. It is drenched. Here's today's sponge in order to try and save the towels. And I don't know if this thing's even gonna do anything. Not a single drop. Everything is dripping. It smells horrible in here. Coots and I talked, and we're gonna remove this toilet. So I have to do that today. Get rid of that thing and this thing, and it's gonna smell awful. That is so fitting. Oh, come on. Oh, it's so nasty. Oh. In an attempt to clean this thing, I'm going to fill it with water and try and pump it out. It doesn't look like anything's coming out. I gotta figure out what to do here. Coots and I are gonna remove this thing since it's disgusting and covered in poop and this thing's broken. But if I take out these 4 bolts that hold it down and just undo the hoses, there's gonna be poop water that leaks out everywhere. So my thinking is undo these 4 bolts, tip it so water goes down there through the white pipe into here, solves all my issues, and then I can unhook everything. Here we go. I got all this out. God, this is a horrible idea. Oh, God. That didn't work at all. Poop. Oh, it's leaking. Oh, my God. Fuck. Got lots of paper towel on hand. I'm just gonna go for it. This is the raw water hose clamp. All right. That appears to be okay. Try and create a barrier. Now comes the gross one. What is it, sweetie? Okay. Oh, God, it smells so bad. Oh, the worst part about it is breathing heavy and sucking in poop fumes. Ooh. Toilet. Why can't it just pull? Oh, oh, awesome. I broke the clamp. Now I have to smell the... how do I get this thing out of here? I got a Sawzall with a brand new blade, extra long, so hopefully I can get in there and get down and dirty real quick. Whoa. I got some spray, so hopefully it can smell like crisp linen. I've got a knife and some tape, so hopefully once this thing gets out, I can quickly tape up the wretched smelling hole in the white pipe. And I got my gloves. I got a towel to kneel on, so I'm not kneeling in poop. I think we're free. Now, get it in a garbage bag that doesn't fit. Awesome. I'm just gonna pull this out. Look at that, I don't spill it anywhere. Oh, it smells disgusting. Now, some tape. Ain't no stain coming through there, even though it still stinks like shit. Toilet is gone. I have to deal with this tank somehow. As you can see, it's cracked and it doesn't really hold anything, so that means smell's coming out. So in order to do that, we gotta remove this hose, which I think is just some weird venting hose. This hose, which is this thing is not doing anything, which is awesome. And then the waste pump out hose, which is gonna be really disgusting, I think. So I gotta figure out, oh, this thing does move. Awesome. I thought it was actually sealed in here. Things just got better, I think. It's that kind of day. Oh, it's disgusting. Yeah, you know what? Here we go. Oh, nasty. Oh, no. I regret doing that instantly.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, the tape. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. This is bad. Oh, this thing's leaking here. Oh, what did I do? This is so bad. I can't get this out without... Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, God, this is horrible. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. There's poop everywhere. Ah, no. This is horrible, hot and sweaty, poop-filled, disgusting, everything. I'm trying to paper towel most of it out. Ugh. This is horrible. Oh, it's even worse now. This is straight poop on my arm. The worst part is someone else's poop. Not that any poop would be good poop. Oh, this thing seems full. So awesome. I'm gonna have an issue on my hands. Kinda wanna just cut it right up here and just hope. I regret doing that instantly. Oh, this is a horrible idea. This is kinda dangerous. Wonder if I can just do this. Oh, I did.
Whoa.
I gotta get this thing out of here. But this thing is right there. Please don't pour poop out on me. Oh, this thing is filled with poop and pee water.
Oh, gross.
Oh, that buys me a little time. Ah, back.
Ow.
This is horrible. Just can't do it. Oh no, it's leaking out of the top. Got all over me. Oh, what was I thinking? Now what? Got the tank out. I'm covered in pee and poop.
Pee or poop.
A little in this bilge, but we gotta clean this thing out anyway. This piece of wood is rotted and broken, so that's awesome. What more gems are we gonna find? Oh, stay tuned. Now that we have the incredibly stinky toilet and holding tank out of here, we want to see what's under this floor because it was a little damp in here. So although this looks kind of nice, we want to see what's underneath here. It kind of sucks because all these screws have stuff inside of them. Okay, well, it looks like I have to dig out all these screws. Step one's always a doozy. And you kind of gotta dig out all these little screws, and I'm not sure if this is just nasty bilge water gunk or if this is actual poop and such.
Pee or poop.
This is gonna be really fun. Let's try one that doesn't. I think this dude varnished right over these screws.
Ring-a-ding-ding!
Oh yeah, they all have. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on. I can't tell you how much better it smells in here already. Okay, so in theory, these two boards should be able to come out, but I got a feeling they're varnished in here. So how am I gonna get these things out? Can't believe that worked. So this looks to be somewhat dry. Don't know what these are made out of. I hope that's black rubber and not just rotted wood. That doesn't seem bad though. This is the top of the wood, and this is the bottom. It looks like mold and wet nastiness. I take this one off. I think that'll tell us more. There we go. Oh, there it is. That looks lovely. Like it smells incredibly bad, but it doesn't. But I don't know what it is. Is it poop or just general bilge gunk? If you're thinking about buying a used boat, don't. Oh yeah, this is the third board I removed and it's dripping wet on the bottom of it. So this stuff's completely coated. It's just general disgusting. Feels really nice and heavy, like it's super nice wood, but it's got to go.
Oh, Mark just showed me what is underneath the, what do they call it on a boat, a latrine? Head?
What head? Yeah.
Mark just ripped up the floor under the head, and it is not good, I would say.
Genius.
Our old toilet was missing the valve, so it was just splashing poop water. So that might all be poop sediment down there.
It is.
How are these mounted?
No clue. But also, I wouldn't be surprised if it's not even mounted. All of those have been varnished over.
My word. Did you try doing something with that small bit?
I forget. Are you messing with his caulk? That wood seems not black like that stuff.
Poop didn't go that high.
Yeah, but I probably just want to rip all this crap out.
Yeah.
Such a steal.
Well, I'm gonna get back to editing.
Screaming deal though. Yeah. So, got most of the floor out.
Holy moly!
You can see I scraped this poop looking stuff with this thing, and it appears come right up because it's still moist. Just gonna scrape all this, pretend like it's not poop. We're just gonna call that yucky bilge stuff. It's not poop, it's just yucky bilge stuff. Clean it because it's not poop. No way. Oh, you can hear it. Ugh. Alright, so tomorrow when the poop dries, I'm gonna clean it out. It's not poop. I gotta clean all this crap up so it stops smelling like a urinal cake in here. Ooh, there's some yucky water. Awesome. New water to deal with. So now we're gonna get the paper towel and see if we can just soak this up and hope it just disappears forever and doesn't come back. This is nasty poop stuff. Pure poop. I'm gonna take care of it right now, actually, because my wife got me some wonderful Clorox cleaner with bleach. Gonna hit that all over here. Whew, that stuff is potent. Got a long way to go on fixing up the sailboat, so if you click on this video right here, you'll see the next adventure, or if you click on this playlist, you can view all of them. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, Coots and I thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.